If you ever go to St. Augustine, there's a chapel bell that chimes out the hour in a garden wall by the iron gate. You can hear the bees buzz in the wildflower.